All right. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to tonight's gathering. This is our third gathering in the what we are calling AI for Leaders gatherings, which is basically all the AI community leaders across Africa coming together to look at, discuss, and just communicate and network the different challenges, solutions we're facing, things we've learned in our journey building the communities, and helping each other grow an even bigger, more vibrant African AI community and ecosystem. And that is in a nutshell. And I'm not going to take any longer than that. I'm going to call Alex directly. He has a presentation and he'll take us from here.
Awesome. So yes, thank you all for joining the call. As Essa mentioned, he and Martha have been doing a lot of great work along with Janet as well to bring the different community leaders together. And it's just been incredible to see all the work and the progress that's been made over the last year as they've all started to meet one another, connect and grow. So it's really just incredible, and looking forward to even so much more that can happen in this space. I will share a few thoughts with you guys here today. Share one of my screens here. You should be able to see it. I'll just pop this up. It's really exciting to see where everyone's coming from. I mean, so over the past year, we've been able to drive representation from folks from Cote d'Ivoire. It's really awesome to see you, Ismail, on the call. Folks from Tunisia, Tanzania, Uganda, Nigeria, South Africa. But what's even a little more important to me is that there are lots of gray spaces on the map. There's lots of people in other parts of the continent who are aware of artificial intelligence. And for those who are not, it would be great to get the message out to them. And so that we can all start to connect and work together on the activities that we're doing. You can see a list of some of the organizations there on the far right side, from the Yielding Accomplished African Women in Ghana, and they have chapters in other parts of the continent as well. They tend to attend these meetings. To folks all the way in the end, AI Expo, it's the first time we're getting you in here from South Africa. So Nick, very happy to have you in the room as well. Matter of fact, it might be interesting to I'll show you guys, let me bring this in here too. On the first event we asked folks to introduce themselves and say where they're from. And we were able to, capture and see folks from Kenya and talk about the number of members who are in their communities. And it's really just impressive to see the work that has been happening. And so today we might actually even take a stab at updating these numbers. But first it would be, great to hear from people on the call. And so if you guys can, I think we're still under, what is it, about 10 people on the call, 13 people. I would really love if we could even introduce ourselves and just say perhaps your name, the organization you represent, the country you're from, and if you run an AI community or education program, if you can state how many people are in your influence. And so that way we get to know one another before I jump into the rest of the content. So I will start off by calling on someone's name, and after you finish, feel free to call someone else on your screen. So that way we keep it moving. And I think we have enough time for that. So I'm excited. I will start with, let's go with Ismail. Ismail, are you able to share with us?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Very well.
Hello, everyone. Yeah, so I'm here from Ivory Coast, and my name is Kone Ismail, and I'm a PhD student in Morocco, but I'm currently in Ivory Coast. So here in Ivory Coast, we have a community of AI, but we haven't started yet making some gathering or educational platform. We are just planning it, but we haven't yet executed it. But we have now started a project on the COVID here in Ivory Coast. And there have been a call in the countries, and we have been able to apply and to be accepted in the call. And now we are getting some funds to start working on the project. So this is what I can say about what is going here.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You can point one out. We'll go next.
I will say Mateya. Is she here because or
Yeah,
Innocent?
Okay, Innocent.
Innocent.
Thanks, Ishma. Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? Alex can confirm if you can hear me.
Very well. Yes.
Okay, thank you. So my name is Innocent Mamvura. I'm from Fusion. We have a community, an AI community called Fusion AI Communities. So so what we're doing now at the moment is to try and we meet online. So we do virtual trainings with guys who are really interested in learning AI. So we started some time last year in December, and we've got at least 12 participants in that group. So our students are connected from all parts of South Africa. We've got students from Durban, Cape Town. Some of them are based in Free State. So we connect every Sunday, we meet and we share and learn about AI. So we train these students on aspects such as machine learning, Python programming, artificial intelligence. And at the moment we are covering cloud computing. So we services such as Amazon Web Services. So we're trying to introduce the students and how they can use these services and build machine learning models, building chatbots using some of the services in AWS. So our group is mainly, we want to call ourselves self-taught AI enthusiasts. We have got guys who don't have background in maths and computer science, but we are teaching them on how they can use machine learning algorithms to solve business problems. That's our goal, really, to reach out to those left out, if I may say, but to learn AI and want to make differences in their communities. So we have those groups in, and it's been going very well. I'm not sure where that background sound is coming from, but it's going
I've just been able to mute Ismail since the Morgan was coming from Ismail. And with the introduction, we'll just keep it maybe 1 minute for different all people, if you can close.
Yeah, so that's really about us, and we can say we're looking at expanding and growing, and learning from some of the communities that are out there. Thank you. I can call Nick to just introduce himself. Thank you.
Hey everybody, Nick here, Nick Bradshaw, based in Cape Town, South Africa. Originally from the UK. If Alex said which country we're from, or I'm actually originally from the UK, but now I live permanently in South Africa. I've got the forehead of a techie, but I'm not a techie. I'm not a developer. I'm actually a sales, marketing, entrepreneur type person. And I set up AI Expo Africa, or set up the company AI Media is the company that I run. And we set that company up in 2017 to fill a gap in the African market, which was, there was no trade show, there was no business focused community. So we launched the first event in 2018, and we've just done the third edition of the show 2020, which was actually online. I know some of you were at the show. We've got 4,000 members. At the show, we had over 1,500 delegates. We had 500 companies represented, and we had 162 sponsors and speakers. So it was a pretty big program. We run Africa's only AI and data science magazine, Synapse, which is on the Issue platform, which you're welcome to subscribe to. It's free to contribute to, free to read. And we also run the YouTube channel AI TV, which is about interviews and thought leadership content. Actually, all the talks from the show are being uploaded as we speak, and that's on YouTube, and you can just find it by listing or searching for AI TV. So please do follow us on all those channels. And we're already working on AI Expo Africa 2021. And I choose next Fabian. Was it?
Hi, everyone.
Hi, I can hear you.
Hi, my name is Fabian. I'm a content creator, digital marketer. I'm a psychologist as well. And I run media and content for Alliance for AI. And recently, a tech enthusiast as well. So, yeah. So I would say Lavina.
Okay, great. Hi, everyone. My name's Lavina, and I am pretty much a representative of the of Africa in the European Forum for Artificial Intelligence. I wear many very different hats, as you probably see me, from a techie perspective all the way to a strategic level and driving policies and frameworks within Africa in terms of artificial intelligence. One of my side passions has been around ethics and applied AI and how best we can contribute that towards our country and sort of taking that leapfrog effect that everyone talks about. Yeah, so just really happy to be here and thank you very much. I think I will choose Rose.
Thank you, Lavina. My name is Rose Delilah, the teacher. I'm from Nairobi, Kenya, and I'm the learning program and the data alliance for AI. Apart from that, I lead a community of the Nairobi women in machine learning and data science, where we advocate for women in machine learning and data science and ensure they are getting empowered by learning about data science and getting mentorship, and also they get to explore what data science is. And yeah, we are basically advocating for women, and we are trying to build the ecosystem to be, the data science ecosystem to be of equal genders, because yeah, like currently I've just gone from a hackathon. I've just come from a hackathon, which was led by AI Kenya, which is one of the communities registered on the Alliance for AI sheet, the one Alex was showing. And we had a lot of underrepresentation of women in machine learning. And that's something that I'm trying to work towards together with, we are planning a collaboration with the RW. Hopefully we can partner with them and also help, build the women, in AI Africa to a larger level. So that's something we're working on. And also we are looking for partners that we can involve in our community work so that we can skill our people or our women with more skills and deep dive on machine learning and data science. So if it's something you're interested in, please reach out to me or Muzoni Wanyoike, and we'll be really happy. Yes, and currently we are 3,000 people in Meetup for the Nairobi Women in Machine Learning. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. I think we have just enough, we have enough time for the people remaining, so this is great. We have about 3 to 4 minutes. Perhaps Perez, and then we have Rolly, and then Gideon. Perez, are you with us?
Yeah, hello, can you hear me?
Very well.
Cool. Hi, everyone. My name is Perez. I'm currently a fourth-year student at African Leadership University, pursuing my bachelor's in computer science. So we'll be graduating May next year. I currently lead the Alliance for AI Learning chapter at African Leadership University. Sometimes we're also called ALU AI Lab. So basically what we're trying to do is trying to help students who are interested in AI gain the required skills and networks so that they are job ready when they graduate from school. We have 36 members, mostly consisting of students from the computer science department, but we also have other students from other departments who are also members with us. We are currently looking for mentors and also speakers. We'll be holding monthly with workshops where we interact with people in industry and also in research. So just to talk to us about what it looks like to work in AI. And so if you'd like to speak to a group of really passionate and energetic young people who are going to be the face of AI in Africa, please, you can let me know and we'll appreciate having you in our meetings. Thank you.
Yes, I will second the statement that they're very excited and passionate people. I think you guys have done really well in the African hackathons recently, right? Winning prizes here and there. You're on mute.
Sorry, I was saying, yeah, we recently won the Umoja Hack Rwanda. Yeah, it was a really like a big achievement for us because we're mostly competing with students from CMU and AIMS, which are like really big graduate schools, and we're just like undergraduate students. It was a really big win for us, and we really felt encouraged that, you know, we've got this, we can do it.
Awesome. All right, Rolly, are you able to go? I don't know if I'm saying your name properly.
You're saying it perfectly.
Awesome.
Yeah. Hi everyone. So I'm Rolly. I'm currently in US in Washington State. I work for Microsoft, and my background, I've been part of this incubation team in Microsoft called Microsoft Garage, whose charter is to help other employees in the company across the world take their ideas in any field. So I've been heavily involved in the past with AI, augmented reality plus AI. And personally, I'm a side hacker too, hustler. So keep building some random stupid ideas with AI, but it's cool. So like all those lip sync chatbot avatars, even when Samsung started that, there's a project which Samsung has been pitching in CES to 2020, several years back. We've been trying. So just I've been coming from that world of hacking. Our team led the Microsoft Worldwide Hackathon, which has about 28,000 employees worldwide. So heavily invested in that area earlier. Currently, I've switched teams. I'm now part of Office team, Microsoft Office, so PowerPoint, Excel. Yeah, so I'm trying to get hold of AI in this ecosystem, but for the entire company, I've been heavily involved. So that's the quick summary about me.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Very happy to have you here in our space. And I think final is Gideon.
Yeah, Alex, thank you. Can you hear me?
It's breaking up a little bit, but you can go ahead.
Okay. My name is Gideon from Nigeria. I currently lead AI Saturdays Port Harcourt, a community where we learn about artificial intelligence every Saturday. And I am currently a student ambassador at Microsoft. So my community work also cuts across schools and campus here in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. And personally, I actually love playing around with machine learning projects, and I'm currently working or doing a research on GANs, generative adversarial networks currently, and I think that's it for me. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Very excited for the the conversations we're going to have today. And so I will go ahead and complete these slides I've put up here and then give this space for our great first speaker. So